Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome everyone to episode 47 of Stardew Valley like game in Unity. Today we want to introduce currencies and stamina cost for the tool actions. Let's begin this episode by introducing currency. Select player, add and create a new script called currency. Open this script. Inside declare serialized int variable called amount. And add serialized field for text on the scene. Let's go and make the text field for the currency. Good. Now on the start we want to call and create a new method called updateText. And inside we will put the amount of currency on the text object. This episode is brought to you by generous support of people on Patreon and members on YouTube. If you want to join them, link to my Patreon in the description and join button available right now on YouTube. Good. We have made the basic currency. We will be using currency in the next episodes to buy and sell stuff. So in previous episode we made it possible to be defeated in the combat. Today we want to introduce an ability to be exhausted from activities. So every time you swing a tool or use a shovel or attack an enemy, your character should use some amount of energy. We need to add a field for the amount of energy cost for the character actions. We will do it in parent base class, so every action will inherit this field. In the editor, let's assign energy cost to all those actions. Then when you do the action, we need to take the amount of energy cost from the action of the currently selected item and decrease the character energy by its amount. Calling create energy cost in the weapon action. Use tool world and in use tool grid. Get the item reference. Now we need to decrease the amount of energy our character has by the energy cost. And to do this, we need to reference the character component, which we need to get and store the reference. But we already have field called character, so let's must rename this. Now we need to get the energy cost of the item. Let's pass precalculated energy cost here. Now we have a bunch of errors because our energy cost needs a parameter. Leave weapon action for now. We will come back to it soon. Scroll down. Let's pass the cost of the actions here to fix the error. Now back to the weapon action. The weapon action is not created as a tool action scriptable object, but as a hard-coded action inside the tool's character controller. So we need to add a new variable here for the weapon energy cost. Now let's test this. If I swing a sword or use my plow, it should consume energy. Good. But if I exhaust all the energy, nothing happens. So let's fix this. Open the character script. We need to make similar method for exhaustion as with being defeated in battle. So let's do attack until we are exhausted. Good. As you can see, we have recovered all of our energy. Now let's move to a different location and exhaust yourself here. Good. Good, this is it for this episode. If you have any questions or any idea about code, please leave your comment below. If you are interested in seeing what will come out of this, please subscribe. If you want to support further, you can find my Patreon in the description. Special thank you to Andrew V. Long for his generous support. With best regards, see you in the next episode.